Good afternoon. My name is Joseph Benavides, and I'm here to talk to you today about legal and equitable remedies. A remedy is a form of court enforcement of a legal right resulting from a successful civil lawsuit. Remedies are designed to address the harm suffered by a party due to the unlawful actions or omissions of another party. That definition is from Cornell Law School. So, legal remedies, also called remedies of law or at law, are primarily concerned with monetary compensation to a party that has suffered a loss due to another's wrongful act. They are traditionally a form of relief in common law systems. The key characteristics include purpose to compensate the injured party for actual losses or damages. Nature usually involves a sum of money. Application, common breach of contract, tort claims, or property damage cases, types of damages. Compensatory damages covers the actual losses. Punitive damages intended to punish or egregious conduct. Nominal damages recognize a legal right without substantial loss. Historical basis, they originate from common law courts where plaintiffs could only sue for monetary compensation. Legal remedies are typically sought when financial compensation adequately addresses the injury that they suffered in the breach of contract. Equitable remedies, in contrast, are remedies rooted in fairness and are available when legal remedies are inadequate. Courts of equity originally evolved in England to provide relief in situations where monetary damages could not sufficiently remedy the harm. The key features: their purpose is to achieve fairness and justice when monetary remedies are insufficient. They usually are non-monetary or correct, and they are also corrective orders. Some common remedies are injunction, specific performance, rescission, and reformation. They are Equitable remedies are discretionary, guided by fairness, and courts may impose conditions such as acting in good conscience. Equitable remedies are applied when monetary damages are insufficient. For example, unique property cannot be replaced by money, such as like a historical art piece, like the Mona Lisa or anything like that. Equity was a centuries-old system of English jurisprudence in which judges base decisions on general principles of fairness in situations where rigid applications of common law rules would have brought about injustice. Judges exercised equitable jurisdiction based on a distinct set of procedures and remedies, and most notably without a jury, and that allowed them greater flexibility to hear cases and resolve disputes. So, an injunction is a court order. Some examples of legal remedies is an injunction, a court order requiring a party to do or refrain from a specific act. Specific performance compels a party to fulfill contractual obligations rather than paying damages. Rescission allows the contract to be canceled, restoring both parties to their former state before the contract existed. Reformation modifies the written contract to reflect the true intentions of both parties when they were writing the original document. Accounting or constructive trust, a remedy requiring one party to provide a detailed accounting of money or property held on behalf of another. Some Arizona court cases that involve equitable remedies are Summers v. Glure and Murdoch Bryant Construction Inc. versus Pearson. So Summers sued Glure for breach of contract, claiming loans exceeding $400,000 were not repaid, an alleged entitlement up to 50% partnership in Glure's bakery. Glure denied an ownership promise, claimed substantial repayment through labor and bakery products, asserted affirmative defenses, and filed a counterclaim for unjust enrichment. contract issues were tried by a jury. They were decided by unjust. Jury verdict favored Summers on breach of contract, awarding $346,854, and indicated no credit was given to Glore for bakery provisions. The trial court subsequently ruled for Glore on unjust enrichment, awarding $280,000. Murdoch Bryant versus Pearson. The case was tried to a jury on equitable theory of restitution. The jury returned an advisory verdict for Murdoch of $392,000. The trial judge recalculated the damages and awarded $273,000 plus attorney's fees, denying defendants' counterclaims.